Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to show you. It's the AMIAMO 15.6-inch laptop, packed with amazing features that are bound to impress. Whether you're a student, professional, or just looking for a laptop upgrade, this might be the one for you. So, let's dive right in and explore all the incredible features this laptop has to offer. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Now, let's take a closer look at the AMIAMO laptop. Introducing the AMIAMO 15.6-inch laptop, powered by the Intel Celeron N5095 processor. With a remarkable 12 GB of RAM and a lightning-fast 512 GB SSD. This laptop is designed for speed and efficiency. Its full HD 1080p display offers vibrant colors and crisp visuals, making it perfect for work or entertainment. The comfortable keyboard and trackpad make typing a breeze. And you'll love the responsiveness of this laptop. But what sets the AMIAMO laptop apart is its impressive connectivity options. It features USB 3.0, Bluetooth 4.2, a Type-C port, and HDMI connectivity for all your devices. Stay connected wherever you go. And when it comes to power, the 38,000 mAh battery ensures that you can work or play without worrying about frequent charging. Plus, the AMIAMO laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11, offering you a sleek and intuitive user experience. Wow, that was truly amazing! The AMIAMO 15.6-inch laptop has left me in awe of its incredible performance and features. It's the perfect companion for your daily tasks, whether it's work or entertainment. If you're as impressed as I am, don't hesitate to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this fantastic laptop. And please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'll be back with more exciting tech reviews soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy with the AMIAMO 15.6-inch laptop.